things you say to pets, but hopefully not your kids. Oh, there you are. I've been looking for you for 3 days. You've been in the basement this whole time? Okay, you can lay in my lap, but can you please stop stepping on my testicles? You are shedding everywhere. Unfortunately, you're about 6 years old now, which means you're about middle aged. I'm pretty sure I'm allergic to you now. And once again, thank you all for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe for more. Peace and love to all.